Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about plums and specifically dried plums or prunes. And I have a list of suggested food and flavoring combinations that are known to work well with dried plums. So if you're looking for something a little different to do with them, hopefully this will help you out. Combine dried plums with apples, cinnamon, and raisins. That sounds good. How about dried plums with brown sugar and red wine? Or dried plums with caramel and pecans? Or dried plums with cinnamon and oranges? I do hope this helps you out. Take care and bye for now.